Hi guys, welcome back to Arty Resin channel. My name is Thais. I'm doing a voiceover in this video because it was originally recorded in Portuguese. So for today's video, I chose this papaya mold, but I will do an avocado instead of a papaya. I don't know if it's gonna work, but you guys will see in the end. So to do this, I chose the DRUZY disc that I bought from Julie Cuts from the channel Pouring Your Heart Out. And I really like working with it. It gives the pieces like a crystal effect that is like stunning. I love it. And I will use it as our avocado pit. So I'm gonna paint it and I'm gonna mix the yellow mica powder from Let's Resin plus the champagne chameleon powder also from Let's Resin, both. See, I'm gonna mix them and I'm gonna paint the DRUZY disc, and I'm gonna pass it forward so you guys see what I'm talking about. So now I'm putting it back and I'm going to press it down. We gotta give our best in this part, guys, because we know if there's too much resin under it, like between the final piece and the DRUZY, we're not able to take it off, right? And everything's gonna be ruined and you're gonna lose your DRUZY disc and you won't be happy. So we gotta press it down really hard to make sure everything is stuck to the mold, so we don't have a headache when pouring our resin, right? And for this piece, I used Platinum River Table Epoxy. And now I'm gonna give it a good clean because there's dust everywhere. And it will obviously mix in the green color, in the green pigment anyways, because it's on top of the DRUZY. But I don't want the golden and the champagne, the yellow all over, you know. So I'm cleaning the best I can over there. And to get to the dark green that I want, I'm mixing the DecoColor acrylic paint. That's the metallic green. And then I'm gonna use the liquid resin pigment from Let's Resin, the light green one. But I won't be satisfied with the color that I get, so I will also put 1 or 2 drops, I'm not sure, of the black pigment from Let's Resin too. And as it wasn't still in the way that I wanted it to be, I decided to add a little bit of the emerald green from Let's Resin also, to see if it would finally be the way I wanted. And it wasn't. Guys, I mix all the colors I see in front of me to get the right color, like the color that I have in mind, you know. I mix and I have no fear. Like, if it works, works. If it doesn't, I learn from my mistake, you know. But yeah, so I put more of the DecoColor acrylic paint, the metallic green, And let's see if now it's good. Of course it's not, right? So I'm adding dark green mica powder, also from Let's Resin. I don't know if you guys realize, but I really love Let's Resin pigments. Let's give this a mix to see how it goes. Yay! Now I'm gonna get my light green ready. I'm just gonna use the light green pigment from Let's Resin, the same that I used in the other one before. Because I want to do the light green in the middle. I'm gonna pour the dark green on the edges, and then the light green, and then the transparent, like the clear resin, right in the middle. And let's finally start to pour our avocado. Let's see how this is going to turn out. What do you guys think? So here I'm just pulling out the green pigment that is going on top of the avocado pit. It's trying to cover our pretty golden avocado pit, so that's not fair. So then I'm pulling them out, and yeah. So now guys, we just need to wait for it to dry, to cure, and I'll be back in 24 hours. And I'm back already. Let's demote it to see how it looks like. What do you guys think? I think it's gonna look beautiful. And let's see how we did about the DRUZY, right? I hope it's not stuck. We did press down really good our DRUZY in the mold. Yeah, see? Even doing it, it's a thin layer in the back, but we do have it. So if we do not press it hard, we take the risk to lose it. You know, lose the DRUZY, lose the piece. Not the piece, because it would be the same color. It would be gold, but we wouldn't have the crystal effect, and we would lose the DRUZY piece, right? Inside of the avocado. Yeah, so here I'm just cleaning out the leftover cured resin that was on top of the avocado, and so I can remove the DRUZY safely. I don't want to ruin it, right? So that's what I'm doing here. Let's see, I think we're gonna be able to do it already. I don't wanna put a hole on it, you know. You gotta be careful because they're really thin. They need to, right, to be thin, so we can use it, so we can use them inside of our resin arts. So yeah, let's see. Now maybe, yeah, I think I'm gonna try now to pull it off. I'm trying to find the best spot. I really don't want to ruin it. Okay, I got it. Gotta be gentle while when taking it off. See? Oh, that's beautiful. I like it. Wow. I really love this crystal effect, guys. I'm a huge fan of it. So now I'm checking the edges, and it does really need something in there. So I am going to use my DecoArt, my DecoColor pen, to go to paint the edges. I love it. I'm gonna pass it forward so you guys don't stay here forever watching this, because it's gonna take a while. And we're done. I'm gonna make a video and take some pictures so you guys can see more details of our avocado coaster. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and I see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.